Dear friends, in this video, the agenda is how to create my own custom business area in Automation Hub. What is this business area? When you click on Submit Idea, you have something called Business Area. And these business areas are by default, if you see, all these different ones are already created. For example, Finance and Accounting is a default one. And here the category you can select your own, but many times what happens, this is not the real case. Your department names might be slightly different from what it says. It cannot be business and accounting, it could be something else slightly with a different name. Now you would like to have your own department name in proper way. How can you create it? How can you create your own custom business area, own custom category, own custom subcategory if required? I'm going to show that. Now for this, let me cancel this and I have to go to admin. What is the step? I need to go to admin. In admin, there is an option called platform setup. I need to click on platform setup and click on categories. Admin, platform setup, categories. Let me click on categories. In this one, I will have my option to create my own. For this, what should I do? I need to click on use editor. And once I click, it will enable me. And here I have the option business area. I'm going to click on add. And I'm going to write something. For example, my department name is business to business B2B invoicing, finance invoicing. Let's say this is my finance invoicing. So this is my, let's say, department name. It could be anything. I'm just giving an example. And let's say you also have a category for this. Okay, you have a subcategory. So you'll have to create a subcategory. For example, B2B, B2B department 1, for example. Something, no? All like that. You can keep on creating the subcategory, category, and all that. You have the add button. If you want to have more columns, that also you have the option. So you finally got to know where it appears and where to go and customize. Finally, I'm going to hit on save and exit. Pretty simple. So once this is done, all I need to do is go to workspace and hit on submit idea. And here if you see, one of the things that I have created, B2B finance invoicing. So I can see I have got that option. Then another category that I have created is called B2B Depart 1. So that I have got. So based on a requirement, you have full privilege to customize these options as you like. So that is the agenda we have completed. Thank you for watching. We are going to meet once again with some new learnings in the next video. Thank you.